Oh no, the AC is broken! God.
Stay alert for moose! It's 85 degrees. You want to eat that one?
No!
I pulled the whole damn thing off.
Chaos. Good morning from inside a very messy bus. It is day 4 of our 30-day series, and today we're going to be showing you how we pack up the bus to get it ready to go to a new spot. So I just got back from a hike with the kids. Eddie is still in bed because he's a slow riser, so I'm going to get the inside started, and then when he gets up, he can help me with the outside. Alright, first things first, I got to put all of these dishes away that I washed last night. That way we can clear the counters and the stuff isn't flying everywhere. Also, I don't want to jinx it, but the kids are actually getting along right now. Look, a rare moment of siblings getting along. The update you all have been waiting on, the coffee cup is bug-free, okay? I was soaking it in soap all night because obviously I don't want to get it as clean as possible, but like, it's stainless steel. You can clean stainless steel. You don't have to throw it away just because it got a little bit of bugs. Okay, dehumidifier is going on the bed. This is our storage space. Another thing that goes on the bed is the cutting board, because we don't have a storage. I should probably just find a spot over here to be putting this. But instead, every time we move, I just throw it on the bed. It's like, why do I do that? I could put it in the oven. It's a perfect fit. That's its new home. The next thing that goes on this bed storage area is the utensils. How you doing? You ready to get up yet? We still haven't found a better spot for the coffee machine than just like literally wedging it on the ground. But at least it's not gonna fall off the countertop, so. Let me open all the windows. Oh my goodness, the children are happy but playing with rocks. Just piles and piles of rocks. This is what the children did. Oh my god. Is that Sasquatch? Sasquatch walked through here. I'm gonna miss this little spot. You guys gonna miss this little spot? Yeah. Okay, if you live somewhere where you experience fall, like, you might not understand the novelty of this, but seriously, there are leaves on the ground.
There's someone in bed.
Like, I'm watching them fall from the trees. It's amazing.
Since the audio didn't work when we were putting this stuff up, I might as well talk about it while I'm taking it back down. So we just hang them on here with these little alligator clips. They're also magnetic. Yeah, straight from Florida. Straight from the swamps of Florida. Table, I have them on these chain links. I don't know how much weight it could support, but all we really put on here is the Blackstone, so it's been fine. No. Folds down, hugs the side of the bus. Yeah, we gotta go drive. We can't have it sticking out when we drive, because then it'll hit things.
Joey's like really sad about leaving.
It's not going anywhere. And then one of the final things I do, check the fluids. We want to make sure that our oil level is good, because we did have an oil leak just like a month and a half, 2 months ago.
Pack my sit for picnic.
It's very nice.
Do you want a picnic? I can pack you one.
That's alright. I'll suffer.
Sure. I love you.
And we're off. Bye to the pond.
Bye, bye, pond.
We loved you. We just started this massive section of an 8% grade downhill. So it's a little stressful for Eddie because of the brakes.
Alright, so we drove this way yesterday. This is to go into like the main town. And there are a lot of steep grades. Right now it's struggling a little bit to go up because I didn't have very much momentum. Going down will be much easier, but I gotta watch out for the brakes and all that. Alright, mission accomplished. We got down pretty easy. Stay alert for moose!
I missed the sign, but we are officially back in New York.
Wait, New York, New York, New York.
The kids are so excited.
New York.
Not New York City, but New York State. And oh my god, talk about a house on wheels.
What the?
Holy moly. That was a little crazy.
Now that is a tiny home on wheels.
We're almost there.
Oh my god, how many
2 minutes. We found it.
Alright, just got to our spot. Not sure if this is where we're supposed to park, but we'll park now and figure it out later, I guess. Hi, how was the drive? Yeah. Yo, it's hot. Inside the bus right now is 85 degrees, but bro, look at the solar. No trees, lots of sun means solar. So, oh man, dude, we came on the hottest day. Literally the hottest day this entire week.
Perfect.
It is a high of 84 today. And then it's going to be 76 the rest of the week. And what that means, time to put on our trusty AC for a little bit since we have the power to handle it.
Okay, the kids and I are gonna go check into the orchard over here. They have you pick apple picking.
Yay.
So we're gonna go see how we can, we're gonna buy a bag for that. We're gonna go pick some apples.
Yeah, I don't
Joey doesn't want to go in this market park because it's like refrigerated. It's really cold. I definitely, after we go apple picking, I definitely want to come back and buy some of this cider. The store is so cute. We have to wait a few minutes for the trolley to come pick us up to take us out to the apple orchard, so we get to look around in the shop a little bit.
Look, someone brought a school bus. Weirdos.
You're silly, Daddy.
Twist and pull.
Twist.
You did it.
Cool. Let me
Should
see. Oh, it's got a little...
That's alright, we can cut that part.
Yeah.
Or we can just drop it.
Joey, you want to go pick one?
Drop,
Yeah?
drop,
Okay.
drop 'em.
Show him your apple.
Oh, nice
Yay.
apple, dude. Put it in the bag so we eat it.
Alright, so we're at Bowman Orchards in, what is it
Almost
called?
stepped
Clifton
on.
Park. In Clifton Park, New York. And this is the first time we've ever been apple picking in our whole entire lives, right? Have you been?
Apple picking?
Yeah,
No.
apple picking. We've never
No.
gone apple picking.
Which
Well,
means...
the reason we're here is because it's a harvest host, which means that we spend money here and they allow us to sleep here overnight. So we're parked over there by the parking lot and we're picking apples and raspberries. So we get an experience and a stay out of it.
That's
That
really,
one's
really
good.
good. And this
It's your
one looks really good.
It's your turn? Okay.
That one looks good, Joey. Want to get that one right there, buddy?
That one's yucky, Joey.
Put it in
He was
gently.
just trying to joke.
Joey, what do you think? You want to eat that one?
No, Joey.
Do you?
Get away.
Yucky.
Eat it, boy.
Sweet. Thank you so much.
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, now we get to fill this up with raspberries, which is like a lot of raspberries. You just kind of,
I'm just here to be.
you want the inside to come out like that.
Nope, I pulled the whole damn thing off. Tell me how it tastes, buddy.
Good. Yummy.
Is it yummy?
Good job, Daddy.
I got a big one.
Look at this.
Oh, wow. Before they close, we're filling up our bucket and our bag of apples. And then, and it is almost about to rain.
Yeah, good job. He's contemplating. Do it.
Oh, good job.
Just do
Good
it.
Twist and pull. Good job. Put it in the
In the
bag.
bag.
Here. Carefully.
Cool.
Oh, you
job.
got a nice big stem on that one.
I mean, that's the one I told Daddy to get.
you
Not
go.
big stem.
Yep, we got our bag full of apples. We could probably fit a few more in here, though.
Found the peach trees, and we're allowed to pick if they have a ribbon on them, just the same rules as the apples. So, yeah, there's a doggy.
That's a cute doggy.
A cute doggy. Look, Natalie found a peach. All right, we got enough apples and raspberries, and we even got a couple peaches, so we're done. We're just gonna walk back now.
Now he's gonna eat them all before we even get back.
Yeah, it's really cool when we're able to do a harvest host like this, where it's like something that I've always wanted to do. I've like always wanted to go pick fresh apples. I envisioned it in the fall with a sweater, so it's a little bit hotter than that, but it was still fun. And now we're gonna go eat some of what we picked. Oh no, the AC is broken!
We're on a slant, so it's just leaking out instead of draining that way.
That's not broken?
No.
Nothing at all. All right, this is how many raspberries we have left.
Yummy.
Check back in a few more minutes, and I'm gonna cut an apple. All right, everybody ready to try the Kayla? Now, you ready for the Honey Crisp?
Yeah.
Honey Crisp.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness.
I don't like this one that much. I like the yellow.
That's my favorite. A lot of people ask us how we get packages and mail since we don't have an address to mail things to and we're always on the go. And our favorite way is Amazon lockers. So since we're near a city, we could actually get some packages today. there are actually 0 Amazon lockers in the entire state of Vermont. So we had to wait until we got back to New York.
Vermont slacking, bro.
Before someone else takes them. So he's like, oh my god.
Open locker.
Oh, that one.
There you go.
It's okay, there's more than one.
Which one do you think it's gonna be?
There.
That one. It was that one.
That one?
Oh, that one.
Oh, it was this one?
Pick which one do you think it's gonna be?
That one.
That one?
That's
What do
a
you think,
big one.
Natalie?
That one.
Alright, ready? Oh!
That one.
Is there another one?
Joey decided that he wants to stay in Staples all night. Alright, there you go.
Thank you so much. Alright, so you want to tell them about that time in Vermont where we waited 45 minutes for Taco Bell. Like, I'm not even kidding.
No,
Like,
it was legitimately like, we're not exaggerating.
so, I got the crunchy taco, the
Okay,
crunch
wrong one
wrap,
then.
a small Pepsi or a medium Pepsi, and then I
I
normally
got
do
one
the twist. Did you do the twist, the cinnamon twist?
No.
No?
I got potatoes.
Damn, Joey's gonna be mad. But I usually do them, but I've been feeling the nachos.
Oh, okay, I got a bean burrito, a Crunchwrap Supreme, with potatoes. Dinner's done and we're at our favorite store.
Why are we here?
We're here because I ran over Joey's helmet. And also,
That episode.
yeah, so if you missed that, that was on day 1. Go back and watch day 1. You can see me running over Joey's helmet and completely obliterating it. So he needs a new one. All right, we found the helmets.
You can draw in that one.
So this one would fit him. That's the same one he had, just a different pattern. That was chaos. Really?
What?
Oh. I didn't do anything. That was my mouth.
It probably wasn't on camera.
Thank you so much for watching the video today. We hope you come back for day 5. Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you tomorrow for day